Hello Hayes High School, this is Marie Henderson. In this video we're going to clean up the course navigation for your Canvas template, and that way we keep everything as clean and simple as possible for our students, eliminating extra information that we're either not going to use or that students don't need to access here in our Canvas course. So if you scroll down here at the left, you're going to click on Settings here in the course navigation, and across the top you're going to come to Navigation, and then all of these items that are available you can enable or disable at any time. So for instance, if you're not going to make announcements here in your Canvas course, if you click the three dots at the end of the row, you can click to disable it. So if you want students to check their grades in PowerSchool, you can disable grades. Another one that people frequently disable is syllabus, outcomes, rubrics. If students don't actually need to see those things or you're not planning to use them, simply disable them. I will point out that though quizzes, for instance, is currently enabled here in my course, you'll see that there is a crossed through I symbol over here, meaning that it's not visible to students. And that's simply because we haven't built a quiz here yet. Some of the items in our course navigation only show up for students once we've built something with that feature. The same is true of assignments. If you haven't built any assignments or discussion boards, the I will show up there. But since I've put in some blank example assignments and discussions, those are currently showing up. All right, further on down here, a few other things you'll want to turn off. Conferences. Unless you're planning to use the big blue button conference option. We don't take attendance here in Canvas, so you can disable that one. If you don't want students to use the chat feature here in Canvas, you can disable it. Collaborations is kind of a cool feature, but if you haven't learned to use it yet, you want to disable it. If you don't use OneNote with your students, this class notebook option creates for you a OneNote class notebook, but if that's not something you're going to use with your students in your class, you want to go ahead and disable it. You can leave Lockdown Browser turned on, and then for the purposes of me occasionally helping you to troubleshoot in your course, I need you to leave these bottom two items on. And then since students will need to access their OneDrive from your Canvas course, you want to leave Office 365 turned on. Last but not least, please notice that all of these items are drag and droppable, so if you decide you want them in a different order, you can simply drag and drop them to that order at any time, and then scroll all the way to the bottom and click to save your choices. As always, if you need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.